Good morning everyone, I'm Afri. I would like to invite you to watching my video. I just want to tell about how to recycle a shoebox like this box. The first, let's just start the way. The first, you have to looking for the section of the box, and you have to make a triangle in this box like this, and you start to cutting the triangle like this one, and I start to cutting. Yes, the first triangle I have cutting like this. I cutting this triangle first, the first triangle, and the other side I want to cutting a triangle second. Okay guys, I had cutting a triangle, the two side, and now you can go back the box like this, and now you can isolation this bag. Okay, you can use isolation like this, and you just not need so much. Like this. And my cover of my shoebox, I cut two pieces to put in here. Okay guys, after you put the two pieces cover of the shoebox like this one, you can use a roll to make the shoebox looks beautiful like this one. You can use and put in here. Okay, let's just start. Okay guys, I have finished my shoebox, and this one, this is so strong after I finish, and you can put anything you want in here. You can put your pen, you can put your makeup, maybe you can put your anything else you want put in here like this one. I hope this way can make you to reduce anything you want, and I hope I can give you your mind is you can reduce something. And thank you for your attention. Maybe that's all my way how to reduce a shoebox like this. And now you can put anything you want like this one, maybe like pencil, maybe you put in here, and maybe you can put your oven you want in here. And thank you for your watching. That's all my way how to reduce a shoebox like this. Thank you for your attention.